Alright, what up, what up? Alright, today we're gonna talk about coping mechanisms, alright? So sometimes we use these coping mechanisms to fill a void in our life, you know what I'm saying? Like different coping mechanisms. It could be alcohol, weed, cigarettes, sex, watching TV, overeating, detachment, talking a lot, you know what I'm saying? Lying to people, crying. It's a lot of different ways we cope with things, you know what I'm saying? Now, coping mechanisms. Now, too much of anything is not good, all right? So, moderation is key. If I say anything on that list that you might find yourself doing at times to cope with your reality, we're not shaming you for that. We're not saying that you're not supposed to be able to cope, but we just want you to be able to overcome, all right? So, I'm gonna give y'all a way of overcoming. So you want your nervous system to be intact when it comes to you having to cope with things. So sometimes it's just best to take a cold shower. That's what we do. We just, man, go hop in that cold water, you know what I'm saying? And when you get the urge to hop out that cold water, you stay in that thing. You stay in the water. You get what I'm saying? So what this does for your nervous system, it allows your nervous system to know that, okay, I am not that I am safe. Basically, it allows you to know that you are safe, that you don't have to cope with these things. So you now when you step back into your reality, it helps you to fight these urges. You get what I'm saying? So at times we look to fill voids too. Like, so it's not always a time to fill a void because you feel a certain type of way. You need to actually embrace that feeling so you can let it go. You don't need to just suck it up and hold on to it, because what happens is we build up this bubble inside and that bubble keeps getting bigger and bigger. So you don't want to fill the void with other things. You want to embrace these feelings. You want to get to the nitty gritty of the problems at hand and understanding why you feel the way you feel. And once you can understand why you actually feel the way you feel, you can actually get to the next level of who you are and being like, you know what, I've overcame myself, which is the first thing, the first aspect of life that you want to overcome is yourself. That allows you to overcome things outside of yourself. So we also want you to meditate, cold showers, meditation. See, these things help you to overcome because you're able to go within so that when you step outside, you can say, okay, now I'm going to allow my logic, I'm going to allow my intuition to kick in a little bit more stronger these ways because I've overcame my coping mechanisms and I've overcame the outside by looking within. So this is how you will be able to deal with your coping mechanisms and to overcome the negative aspects of your life, and just stop looking outside of yourself to fill a void when everything that you need is within you and God lives within you. I'll show you.